Hi, I'm Rick Steves. I'm the southeast tip of Iceland, and that's Vik. Vik is a town that is 300 people in it, and it's just a typical utilitarian town here out in the countryside of beautiful Iceland. I'm with my friend and fellow tour guide, Stefan Valsson. Stefan runs a company in Reykjavík called Reykjavík Bike Tours. Hey, Stefan.
Hi.
Now, can you tell us what we're seeing here on this little town of Vik on the southeast tip of Iceland?
Well, this is the main drag, so to speak, with some of the oldest houses in town, dating just over 100 years, like the ones you're looking at right now. Some of them are for tourists, and some of them are locally owned and are used as second homes.
So there's that's something important to remember when you're touring Iceland is 100 years ago there was very few actual houses like we think. They were made of turf and stone. This is a particularly old building here, 1895, and that was the sort of the community store and post office and now the tourist information office. But Iceland has had a huge boom in tourism in the last decade or so. In fact, Stefan was telling me it's increased 30-fold since you've been working as a tour guide.
That's right, just incredible, isn't it?
Considering how young you are.
Exactly.
And there's still lots of funky little insights. Here's a guy who's put together a World War II museum with some hardware from World War II. We've got these jagged mountains. There's no harbor here because there's just no harbor in Vik. The boats used to beach on the shore until the road came in. We're exploring Iceland. Of course, there's a lot of dramatic beauty, but there's also a lot of practical little utilitarian towns like Vik, V-I-K. Happy travels.